Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. If you are new here, hello, my name is Krystal. This is a lifestyle channel where I share everything from fashion to beauty to cooking to daily life. And today is an unboxing, but a special one. Today is a luxury unboxing. So I saw these on someone else's channel and I was like, oh, that's cool, I like that. So I put it on my wish list and I just like held it in my cart for a little while. Eventually I got them. So without further ado, let's get into this massive box right here. As you can tell, this is a very large box, and to be completely fair, I've already opened it. Gotta put them back. So here we go. This is, let me figure out how to get this open. Does that work better? How am I'm not even opening it right. Okay, here we go. Open. Okay, so this is a purchase from Gucci. Here is the paperwork, the receipt, all that stuff. This I think is like a big tote. I think it's for the Gucci 100. Their 100-year anniversary is coming up, but the good stuff is right here. Right here. Here she is. Looks like Christmas with their colors, but you know. There, now. Okay, so, and I kind of have to hurry because it's, I don't know why I'm checking my time. I don't have time. It is almost time for me to get my kids from school. So let's kind of hurry through this so we're not here all day, okay? Here we go. Undoing the ribbon over there. And whoop, there went a card. Can't see much. But here we go. I'm trying to hold it so that you can see what it is. So, if you haven't guessed by now, it is a pair of shoes. Shameless plug, if you follow me on Instagram, then I shared this on my stories like a couple weeks ago. So you might already have an idea of what it is, but there she is. And yes, I've already worn both of them, you know, they're twins. Super heavy. I'm so excited. Steven goes, that's not your style. So I had to go to my closet and pull out 2 different kinds of boots. And I was like, look, if these 2 boots had a baby, this is what it would be right here. This would be the outcome. So yes, let's get the other guy open real fast. And then also we got extra strings and then the little booklet. So we'll put those back in here. So here's this. Take this little guy out. And I think these are called the Apollo GG Supreme, maybe. This. Yes. Okay, got them all cleaned up. Now, this boot is a beautiful boot. If you're into the combat boot trend, I've been wearing combat boots for a long time. Actually, whenever I put it on, it's so heavy. And I remember in like the late 90s and the early 2000s, Doc Martens were super, super popular. I had a couple pair. My mom had a pair. And anyway, so when you put this on, that's kind of what it feels like. That the heaviness is there, and it feels so nice. But it is definitely a leg workout. Like whenever I was walking, I just felt like I was just like slinging my leg everywhere, and I had to kind of keep it under control. Anyways, yes, so we've got excuse the nails, they haven't been done since before Daytona. I apologize, but I was too excited. So here we go. We have the quilted padding right here. We have the Gucci emblem right here. It's lace up, obviously. It's got some tread, not as big as like the Prada or like the was it Balenciaga, where they're just like huge, massive. And when you put this on, you actually, they look big here, but once it's on and you're walking in it, you don't really notice this tread part right here. It was funny. My daughter, she put them on. She's 10 and her foot's almost my size. And she was like, oh my gosh, I'm so tall. She was literally like right here. Anyway, so here we go. Here they are. Oh, I got them backwards. There we go. Oh, and then here's the bottom side. The snake right here on the tread. Anyway, so it does have a heel. It does make you taller, but since there is that platform, it's not like you're walking on like super high heels. So they're very comfortable. And then it's got this huge chunky heel. So again, I mean, I wouldn't want to walk around going like shopping maybe with them because I'm flat-footed. If you have a higher arch, then that might be different. But yeah, anyways. Oh, and then we have the Gucci right here on the front here, and then you have the double G interlocking monogram right here. They do have another color scheme. I wasn't really into those. I think they're like cream up here, and then I think it's like a tan on the bottom. I think it could be, I could have that backwards. Anyways, I'll try and find a picture. But yes, I'm so excited. And this is my latest luxury purchase, and I just wanted to share it with you so that you can see it. Yay. Yay. Okay, enough about that. All right, it's almost time for me to get my kids from school. So if you guys enjoy this type video, let me know. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye.